This is the scariest place in the universe, a place so empty, so dark, it makes our Milky Way feel like a tiny, flickering candle in a storm. Imagine floating in perfect nothingness. No stars, no galaxies, no light, just black, infinite black. And yet, this isn't science fiction. Astronomers have found real regions of the universe that look like this. Voids so massive, they could swallow tens of thousands of galaxies, and we'd still have room to spare. Today, we're diving into the universe's greatest emptiness, the cosmic voids that make space itself terrifying. I've studied the latest discoveries from astronomers and cosmologists, and I've pieced together what these voids really are, and why they may ultimately shape the fate of the universe. By the end of this video, you'll see what makes the boötes supervoid and other cosmic voids so terrifying, the strange physics that rule these regions, and the mind-bending fate that awaits the universe itself. Stick around, because what we uncover may change how you see everything above your head tonight. Most of the cosmos isn't filled with stars or galaxies, it's empty. Gigantic, unfathomably large bubbles of nothingness, stretching hundreds of millions of light years. Astronomers call these voids, and inside them, space itself is stretched violently. Gravity behaves differently. Even light feels almost trapped. Take the boötes supervoid. It's around 300 million light years across. That's enough space to fit thousands of Milky Ways, yet there's nothing. No stars, no galaxies, just darkness. And if you think about it, being inside one of these voids would be like standing in a pitch-black room that never ends. There's no up or down, no reference points, just the void itself. It's not just empty, it's hostile. Galaxies on the edges are constantly pulled outward by gravity, keeping the void empty and making it even scarier. Like the universe itself is actively pushing matter away. Space isn't random. Galaxies, gas, and dark matter form a cosmic web, long filaments that connect galaxy clusters. And in the middle of this web, the voids. They sculpt everything. Gravity isn't just pulling things together, it's pulling the few galaxies inside voids outward, away from the emptiness. Over billions of years, these regions get emptier and emptier, while the filaments and clusters grow denser and brighter. In other words, the universe isn't just expanding. These voids are actively shaping the cosmic landscape, pushing and pulling galaxies like invisible hands. What's really terrifying? Void regions reveal the effects of dark energy in ways you can't see anywhere else. Dark energy is the mysterious force that's making the universe expand faster over time. In dense galaxy clusters, it's hard to notice because gravity dominates. But in the emptiness of voids, it becomes visible. These voids are growing larger, stretching the universe apart, slowly tearing the cosmic web and thinning out galaxies along the edges. In a sense, voids are like the universe's demolition zones, gradually undoing all the structures we see. Let's focus on the boötes supervoid, often called the universe's great nothing. This emptiness is so vast that light from even the nearest galaxies would take hundreds of millions of years to reach the center. Some scientists even suggest that in the far future, civilizations seeking refuge from a dying universe might try to escape into these voids. But why? Because the universe outside will eventually tear itself apart. Imagine being inside it, a lonely, frozen desert where even light struggles to reach you. It's haunting because it's not just empty. It's a mirror of cosmic mortality, a place where the universe's relentless expansion is most obvious. But voids aren't the only scary places. Consider the Erodina supervoid, nearly 1 billion light-years wide, colder than anything else in the observable universe. Or the Great Attractor, an invisible force pulling our entire Milky Way and billions of other galaxies toward a place we cannot see. Then there are magnetars, city-sized stellar corpses with magnetic fields so strong, a teaspoon of one would weigh as much as Mount Everest. And quasars, black holes at the hearts of galaxies, emitting more energy than entire galaxies combined. All of these extremes exist alongside voids, and together they remind us, space isn't peaceful, It's violent, indifferent, and terrifying. The universe has an edge, not the edge of space itself, but the limit of what we can observe. Beyond 46 billion light-years from us, space is expanding faster than light can travel. That means there are entire galaxies, possibly entire universes, forever out of reach. Void regions dominate the large-scale structure. As time passes, clusters collapse and voids grow. Eventually, the observable universe will mostly consist of empty darkness. The universe we see now is only a temporary bubble, a fleeting oasis of stars before the voids take over. So, the scariest place in the universe isn't a black hole or a supernova, it's the voids themselves. Endless expanses of nothing, sculpted by invisible forces, stretching across the cosmos, slowly shaping the fate of everything we know. If you were floating there, you'd see the universe in its purest form. Not light, not life, just infinite emptiness. And maybe, in that silence, you'd realize just how small we really are. Today we explored the universe's greatest voids, the boötes supervoid, the Erodana supervoid, dark energy at work, and the edge of the observable universe, places that are not just empty, but terrifyingly alive in the way they shape space and time. Next time, we'll journey into the most powerful explosions in the universe, gamma-ray bursts that could wipe out entire planets in seconds. You won't want to miss that.